morning, everybody, and welcome to Lindsay Duff's Intuitive Wisdom. The week ahead for the 28th of December to the 3rd of January. Happy holidays. I hope it was a good holiday for you all. Okay, let's do it and see what's happening here. For the new year. Wow, 2015. How exciting. I'm excited about this coming year. I think 2014 has had its ups and downs, but it's been a good year overall. I feel like I've cleared a lot of stuff and started some new things in my life, and I'm very excited about. And hope everybody else is having a good experience and kind of recapitulating and looking back and seeing what's been going on in their lives. Okay. So at the beginning of the week is the Ten of Wands. And the Ten of Wands is a card of, 10 is a card of completion. So you've gone through all of the different cycles in life, new beginning, partnership, looking into partnerships, body, mind, and spirit, looking at that aspect of who you are. The fourth level is creating foundation. The fifth level is allowing the changes to occur. The sixth is expansion, the seventh is transformation, the eighth is transmutation, and the 10th is manifestation. So 10 of Wands and the one card is a card of spiritual action. So it's just saying that this, the end of this year, you're going to start thinking about how you're going to start a new year. You're going to reap the benefits of your completion and either take it to another level, or you will be starting a new project. So that's kind of a no-brainer. New year, new projects. Anyway, and then the middle of the week is the Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups is a card of transformation and the areas of the heart. So in some area of your life, be it personal, it could be self-love, and I know I always talk about this, but it's really important. Self-love is super, it's like a prerequisite to having good partnerships and relationships, love or otherwise, in your life. So, and love actually is a part of every partnership that we're in, whether we think so or not. So the 7 is just saying that in the middle of the week, right around New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, we will be looking at that. We're going to be looking at how we're going to have more love in our life and how we're going to love ourselves more, take better care of ourselves and others. So the middle of the week is the 7 of Cups. There will be transformation occurring in your life around your relationships, which is perfect. Perfect for the new year, right? And then the end of the week is the Empress, and the Empress is the card of knowing who you are. You are a high-level being. We're all a part of God. We are all one. And it's just noticing that we are connected and that we are like beings of light and beings of love and peace and joy and all the things that we really, really want in our lives. And because this is a reading for the beginning of a new year, it's really crucial and important for us to focus. That's a great word. Focus. Focus is the new word for 2015. Focus. Focus on all the blessings, all the accomplishments that you've made in 2014, and how you want to move forward on the, right on the tail of what you've already been creating and accomplishing, and know that you are capable and so deserving of every single good thing that could ever come your way. So just know that and see yourself filled with love and joy and passion, and have your life be that. So that's what this card is. The Empress is just bringing it all in, appreciating it, and feeling grateful for it, and knowing that it is going to be a part of who you are. Okay? So the week ahead is awesome. It's about completing, And spiritual, you know, the 10 is the spiritual action, taking action on finishing up things, cleaning out, whatever. Sometimes, I think sometimes this card can even indicate, you know, like cleaning out any little things right now that's left over in December that you don't want to take into the new year, like maybe even cleaning your closets and your drawers and your garage, whatever, that doesn't feel good in your space. If you have a lot of clutter, it's a good time to clean it out. So taking spiritual action, taking action on something that feels really good to you. If you don't feel good about something, don't do it. Okay. And then the middle is the 7, the transformation in the realm of love in the heart. And the Empress is embodying everything that we know about ourselves to be. That we are a part of God and that we're all one. And that everything eventually works out for us, even if we have contrast. So, love and light to everybody, and Happy New Year. And I will see you in 2015. Ciao.